Today I have visited Sufi University of Modern Sciences, and I have found the energy and real research-based projects. The students have presented in the shape of thesis, and they have presented actually the poetry of Bhetai, and they have tried to inculcate the message that Bhetai is in the entrepreneurship, Bhetai is in the tolerance message, Bhetai is in the education, Bhetai is in the health. And with this, I really congratulate the faculty and Honorable Vice Chancellor Ma'am Arabella Bhutto, and I really congratulate the students. They have contributed in the first research based thesis show, and this is मां सिंधी में भी थोड़ो जेको आहे कंट्रीब्यूट करणु चाहियां थो। असांजो सूफ़ी हज़रत शाह अब्दुल लतीफ़ भिटाई, असांजो सूफ़ी साईं सचल, असांजो सूफ़ी कलंदर लाल शहबाज़, असांजो सूफ़ी मखदूम सरवर नूह, असांजा केतिरा ई सिंध जा सूफ़ी जिन हमेशह इंटरफेथ हारमनी जो मैसेज ॾिनो आहे। अॼु मूंखे जेके ही थीसिस मिलियूं आहिनि, जेके असांखे ॾिसण लाइ मिलियूं आहिनि, यकीनी तौर ते आउं चई सघां थो त असां जहिड़ो कर वरी पोइट्री खे नई एनर्जी सां इंट्रोड्यूस करायूं पिया। असां थ्रू जेके असांजूं कंप्यूटर एप्स आहिनि उन्हनि जे थ्रू इनकलकेट करियूं पिया, ऐं इहो ई असांजो हिकिड़ो अज़्म आहे त इंशाअल्लाह ताला, बल्कि इहो रिज़ॉल्व आहे 2026 जो, त असां जेके बि असांजा सूफ़ी मैसेजिस आहिनि उहे असीं अॻे खां अॻभरा कयूं, ऐं असां पंहिंजे हिकिड़ी पूरी जेका टीचिंग मेथडोलॉजी आहे उन में बि इन खे इंक्लूड करायूं त जीअं असांजा जेके बि ईंदड़ नस्ल आहिनि इन मां मुस्तफ़ीद थी सघनि। महिरबानी।
बेसिकली मेरी जो एप्लीकेशन है वो ये लतीफ़ सरकार का एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट है 300 साल पुराना। मैंने इसका डिजिटल वर्जन बनाया है और ये पाकिस्तान की पहली फोक इंस्ट्रूमेंट डिजिटलाइज एप्लीकेशन है। अभी तक हमारे जो भी कदीमी साज हैं वो उनमें से कोई भी डिजिटलाइज नहीं हो सका, और इसके जो क्राफ्टमैन हैं वो भी बाकी 2 बचे हैं। तो मैंने अपनी कल्चर को प्रिजर्व करने के लिए एक डिजिटलाइज एप्लीकेशन बनाई है। ये एक पूरा एजुकेशनल सिस्टम होगा जो आप घर पे बैठ कर ये तंबूरा बजा सकते हैं और राग सीख भी सकते हैं।
हिते अची करे तमामु घणी ख़ुशी थी आहे, छाजे लाइ त जेके बि 10 खां 11 थीसिस जा टॉपिक्स आहिनि उहे सभु तक़रीबन असांजे गवर्नमेंट ऑफ सिंध सां रिलेट था कनि, जिन में जेकॾहिं असीं अचूं त हिकिड़ा औकाफ़ सां, ॿिया टूरिज़म सां, हिकिड़ा रिलीजियस टूरिज़म सां। उन खां अलावा गवर्नमेंट ऑफ सिंध हिन शइ ते हिन वक़्तु कमु करे रही आहे त असां पंहिंजनि अकाउंट्स खे कीअं डिजिटलाइज़ करियूं। त मूंखे ॾाढी ख़ुशी थी त हिते उहे सभु टॉपिक्स मौजूदु हुआ जेके सूफ़ी श्राइन्स हुजनि या रिलीजियस जेके बि आहिनि असांजो टूरिज़म जूं जायूं, उन्हनि खे असां वधि में वधि कीअं उन्हनि मां कैप्चर करे सघूं था, केतिरो इनकम अची सघे थो, एंटरप्रेन्योर केतिरो अची सघे थो, उन बारे में तमामु सुठा थीसिस आहिनि। मूंखे उमेदु आहे त इंशाअल्लाह अॻिते इन्हनि मां केतिरा ई अहिड़ा जेके थीसिस आहिनि उहे असांजे गवर्नमेंट ऑफ सिंध खे एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट में, औकाफ़ में, टूरिज़म में, कल्चर में ऐं इवन ॿियनि इदारनि में असांखे कमु ईंदा। ऐं हीअ यकीनी तौर ते असांजे पूरे पाकिस्तान में जेका हीअ पहिरीं यूनिवर्सिटी आहे सूफ़ीज़म एंड मॉडर्न साइंसिस, उन मॉडर्न साइंसिस खे असां इंटीग्रेट कयो आहे विद सूफ़ीज़म, जंहिंजे करे असांखे इंशाअल्लाह पूरे पाकिस्तान खे फ़ाइदो थींदो। छाजे लाइ त हीअ सभु जा सभु असांजे गवर्नमेंट, चाहे फेडरल हुजे चाहे असांजी प्रोविंशियल गवर्नमेंट हुजे, उन्हनि जे इदारनि सां मुंसलिक सभु रिसर्चूं आहिनि। असां उमेदु कंदासीं ऐं इंतज़ारु कंदासीं त जीअं ई हीअ रिसर्च कंप्लीट थी करे ऐं उन्हनि जा कापियूं असां वटि अचनि थियूं त इंशाअल्लाह असां चाहे फेडरल गवर्नमेंट हुजे चाहे प्रोविंशियल गवर्नमेंट हुजे, ॿई इन मां वधि में वधि फ़ाइदो हासिलु कंदासीं। महिरबानी।
Explain करें। Assalamu alaikum. We are from the BBA department. We are here to explain exploring the impact of Sufi shrines on entrepreneurs. ये बताता है कि जो सूफ़ी श्राइन्स हैं उनका हमारे लोकल एंटरप्रेन्योर्स पर, उनकी फाइनेंशियल वेलबींग पर, उनकी इमोशनल और साइकोलॉजिकल वेलबींग पर कितना असर है। हमने ये रिसर्च कंडक्ट की है, तो इससे हमें ये रिजल्ट मिली हैं कि जो हमारे सूफ़ी श्राइन्स हैं वो हमारे लोकल एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, उनकी फाइनेंशियल वेलबींग, इमोशनल और साइकोलॉजिकल वेलबींग दोनों पर बहुत ज़्यादा असरअंदाज होते हैं। ये हमें ये बताती हैं कि जो हमारी फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी है हमारे एंटरप्रेन्योर्स की, वो हमारे सूफ़ी श्राइन्स की वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव होती है, क्योंकि वहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा टूरिस्ट आते हैं और वो जगह बहुत ज़्यादा हमारी जो रिचुअल्स वगैरह, ट्रेडिशंस वगैरह जो होती हैं उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा उन पर हुजूम होता है।
Thank you very much, Dr. Rafiq. Thank you very much, Dr. Razak, for being an external jurors, judges, for the work that our students have done, accomplished. But at the same time, thank you very much to the in-house judges, Dr. Zafar, and at the same time, Dr. Arshad Salim Saab, for looking to their commitments, looking to the work under the supervision of my very learned faculty, who are guiding them, giving them certain directions and telling them how to really take up this multidisciplinary concept, which was in fact an approach that I was looking forward to opt in different actions that we are doing at University of Sufism and Modern Sciences, Vidya. But let me share with you that when I started my journey here at university, everyone was asking me what is happening on Sufism in Sufi University. So it was a big research question for me, in fact, and I wanted to answer that research question. But I'm not a kind of person who only say and don't do. So I want to share everything which have been done already and what we have already planned or taking actions on that. I was keep on learning that word of tourism, religion, tourism, and let me share with you that we've already started to work on an undergrad program, and inshallah next year we will be giving admissions to our student in BS on Sufi tourism rather being on a religious tourism. And again, let me share with you, to my learned judges who are talking about that multidisciplinary approach, that Sufi tourism, the degree that we will be inshallah starting very soon, will be based on the multidisciplinary approach, because when you say tourism, you may have seen that it's going towards hospitality, to the businesses, to the reflections, but when we say Sufi, of course religion practices, the lessons that we are learning from the Shahjo Risalo, it's already there, but we want to blend a major concept of IT into it. Because I'm sure that all who have been going to different universities around the globe, they have seen that how tourism being taken benefits or shoulders of the IT and then standing on those shoulders. We know that virtual reality, artificial intelligence is of course there, but when we say virtual reality, augmented reality is very much a part of mostly in all tourism businesses. We have been to different places around the globe. Agar ta China mein aaye ho, Forbidden City dithi aaye, but even if you have been in the buses that will take you around the city tours, you have been given one headphone, and when you plug that headphone into your ears, you will start talking about the documentary. You need not to ask anyone. So what we are in fact doing here in this university, of course with the collaboration of IT department, the chairperson is with us, we are intending to establish the virtual reality environment of the shrine, and then taking an opportunity that at every moment we have a historical places. I've been to this, Vasif must be around. He took us to the place jite unanja penja handheld equipments मौजूद हुआ, जैसे शाह साहब वेंदा हुआ खट मौजूद है, देखा stick उनजे हाथ में हुआ stick मौजूद है. So he took us to that place, and we had an opportunity to roam around. But if Vasif or some others were not there, I didn't know the history. So what we want to do, we want to convert it into the IT. So take this speech from my side also as a message to the IT department, that what we are intending to do is to create the virtual environment on these shrines. We will not stop to the Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai only. Of course, we will be going to the Qalandar. Of course, we will be going to other shrines too. But objective is to blend this modern science concept in such a way that the messages of Sufism should not be compromised. It will remain as integrated, as integral, as virtuous as it is, but then at the same time blending the concept of modern sciences into it gradually and slowly, so that we ultimately will become successful, inshallah, to communicate the message to our next generation that we have these lessons already. Sir, you have talked about that a dot which has been said by certain poets, but unka peri Quran Sharif chona, unka peri Rasulullah sallam da messages chona. ठीक है, we have this concept much earlier. 1400 साल पहले Quran talks about everything that even today science is talking. So why not those messages? So we have the foundation, and alhamdulillah, being a Muslim, I think we are privileged enough that foundations are already with us. What we need to do is to only understand. ठीक है, उन्हें सही तरीके से understand करें, उनके project करें, उन्हें आगे मत होना है. This is the ultimate requirement. I think each one of us, if we'll take this as an objective of a life, I think that's the success. That would be the ultimate objective that we want to achieve. And of course, the promotion of universities will become part and parcel to that. It will automatically become part and parcel to this. So taking institution up ahead, taking institution in a lead, we want to really project what our title is saying. It will be done when we'll start realizing what is our own responsibility. And not only as the Vice Chancellor of a university, but first of all as a human being. As a human being, what is my responsibility? What should I do? How I can contribute towards this institution, towards the entire life and the society. Once we learn, then gradually, har ek kasama, shayad wo success achieve kare, we all are striving together. So thank you very much, every individual, for being a part of this very learned exercise. And I really appreciate each supervisor who took the task seriously, because I wanted it to be reflected in such a way that it should be there in every thesis. I remember when I was talking to the chairpersons of these departments, to make sure that har thesis mein Sufi ho jaye. So shuru mein of course it was very, very difficult to accept, because change doesn't happen in one day. It was really difficult to accept that BBA mein Sufi cha karno, madam. English mein Sufi cha karno, education mein Sufi cha karno. But then we started realizing that Sufism is everywhere. As you have said, it's there in science, but of course it's everywhere, because we are talking about human. जैसा सूफीज़म जी गाल था क्यों, जैसा इंसान जी गाल था क्यों, इंसानियत जी गाल था क्यों, तो तेरे इंसान इंसानियत जी गाल कंदो तो हर जगह ते आना. उन लाइ असांखे ॻोल्हण जी ज़रूरत कोन्हे त if there is any discipline that exists and it has something in terms of humanity, in terms of humanism, ethics, culture, जेको बि असां नालो ॾियूं. So it was the reason that we realized collectively that in every department we can pivot the concept of Sufism, and we did it. And today's activity, in fact, is a very first step towards this journey. And I'm still saying that I want every thesis that will get graduation from this university must have the title of Sufi or Sufism. So it was not must this year, but inshallah next year I'm looking forward, because it's a little bit of trick, I must admit here. Trick is that we did not showcase every thesis today. Of course, they were not the only 11 or 10 projects at that degrees. We had another projects where also they will get degree, but we did not bring it here. Purpose was not to discourage them, definitely, but purpose was to encourage those supervisors and those teachers and those students who really take a lead in making this day possible. And there will be one more incentivization, which of course Atta will take on and Dr. Kama will take it. We want to incentivize in a different way. Of course, we want to tell them who is best amongst all, but of course it will not let anybody else say that they are not best. They are all good. And I really appreciate the judges' comments. They said each one of the work had really shown some worth. And thank you very much, both of you, for being with us. And inviting you was, of course, networking. Inviting you was, of course, a reason that we do not want to only stop at University of Sufism and Modern Sciences. We want that networking should go on to University of Sufism, to Mehran University, to other, and SABS you forgot, I do not know why. So it's also in the region of Patti mein ya Jamshore mein, unhe bagair hare Jamshore Patti nati heli sake. So it's very much an integral part of Jamshoro. So being a Vice Chancellor, I have my lovely girls from SABS University too here with me as a photographer, because we also offer a subject of photography at SABS University. So we have team mashallah from SABS University, and this we also do. We blend these two universities. Yo shayad Allah je tarfa hai. Then bidin university ke gadd balainda hu. ॿियनि यूनिवर्सिटियुनि खे बि गॾु रखंदा आहियूं, पुसिन यूनिवर्सिटी हुजे, महरान हुजे, any other. So we are working very hard, alhamdulillah, Allah shukr hai, we are on the path and we all are committed. We all are committed to continue on this path, and I'm looking forward to my entire team. So we call it as like USMS family. So we are not USMS team, but as a family. We'll inshallah continue as a family. We'll inshallah continue with these networking opportunities with an objective that we want to learn lessons of Sufism, and we want to blend those lessons to every individual who at least we can approach mentally or physically in any ways. So thank you very much, sir. We are looking forward for future collaboration with Awqaf department, with other universities, and there is no intention to stop anywhere. It's just a beginning. Thank you very much, Jazakallah khair.